Welcome, my Magic Lotus tribe. I'm super excited to be unboxing the Pocket Edition of Isis Oracle cards. Here is the back of the card deck that shows some illustration. And we're going to open it up. And the cards are stuck together with a clear wrapping that I am going to open. On the back here, it's a how-to of the deck, and already you can just tell, like, the deck is beautiful. The outside, the first card is just gorgeous already, very vivid colors. So as I'm unwrapping, I'll take that off and let's see what the rest of the cards are, and I'll be showing all of the cards in the deck, all 44. Ancient Power Mysteries. So that is what the first card is. And again, the illustration is very vivid. It's a kind of a thick card stock, and it is just definitely well done. A glossy overlay. Divine Guardian. It's just so beautiful. Ancient Egypt definitely holds a special a place in my heart, should I say. And I was just so excited to get this Oracle deck. And as we move on, we have, like, again, I was trying to show you the thickness, if you can see it, of the card. So it's not flimsy at all. It's definitely great for shuffling. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall out of your hands. And again, that one's the Eye of Horus. The vivid colors is just so bright and vibrant. It's just beautiful artistry on every card. Goddess of 10,000 names. Wow, it's just beautiful. It just it's like fantasy. It just takes you to that place. It's just gorgeous. Healing the Divine Masculine. And it really, High Priestess, which is my favorite. It just takes you to that place in ancient Egypt where it was very mysterious and mythical, and it's just gorgeous. I'm loving this deck already. Every card so far is just very vibrant, and the illustrations are just gorgeous. The messages are great, and it's just well done. It's just not flimsy cards, so when you are shuffling, it doesn't feel like it's falling out of your hand. And this is a reminder, it is the Pocket Edition, so the cards are smaller than the original box, which I find to be great because I have small hands. So shuffling for me, this is just right up my alley. It's perfect. The difference of the original deck, it has the wording on the front. So it's the picture and the wording message on the front that I have seen as well. So there's just a picture on the front, and then the message is on the back, which is great too. It's just beautiful pictures on every card that I've seen so far. It's just beautiful. We are at the end of the deck, and these cards here is just a pocket edition information, other decks that the author has, and an introduction card, also a how-to use the deck, and the box is definitely can sustain a fall. It's not flimsy at all. And for the pocket edition, I'm very happy with that. Also, here is a brush to show you little comparisons of dimension of the pocket edition, but so far, great results. Thank you, my Magic Lotus tribe, for joining me today on the unboxing of the Isis Oracle. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below, and blessed be.